Hello everyone, Sarah here from Blue Lotus Films. In this video, I'm going to talk about coming up with video ideas for your YouTube channel. To really grow your channel, you probably already know that you need to create consistent video content. So of course, you don't want to run out of video ideas. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. I share video production and video marketing tutorials to help wellness business owners raise their visibility, generate leads, and increase their income. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can get notified when I release new videos every week. So I literally came up with the idea for this video after implementing the exact same steps that I'm about to share with you. 1. Know your niche. Before you begin creating video content, you need to decide what type of niche content you will be creating. Will you be making tech tutorials, lifestyle videos, beauty videos, or cooking videos? When you know the audience that you're serving, their likes, dislikes, trends, etc., and what type of video you will create for them, it'll be easier to come up with ideas. Number 2, get into a creative headspace. Some people can come up with great ideas in the shower. Some people like me can come up with great ideas in the car or after a meditation session. You may be someone who comes up with a great idea while sitting in a coffee shop or walking in nature. Essentially, you need to be in a place of relaxation and empty your mind of distracting thoughts. I feel it's important to put away your device because our minds can easily become filled with clutter and it can be hard to not be overstimulated. So find your Zen spot and commit to spending time there on a regular basis. Number 3, creative brainstorm. Once you have let your mind wander and gotten into a creative headspace, you can start to brainstorm a bunch of content ideas. You'll want to unfilter yourself and write down everything that comes to mind. So if you're researching cooking topics, you can start doing a quote-unquote brain dump of all the topics that seem interesting to your audience. Think of all the topics that you wish your audience knew more about. And then once you've done a brain dump of your initial ideas, you can start conducting research by going on to Amazon, Google, and YouTube. Number 4, keyword research. So one easy way to find video ideas is by researching what people are already searching for. If you go to the YouTube search bar and type in keywords, you'll start to get an idea of popular search terms. And you'll also want to go to Google Trends and type in some search terms. You'll get an idea of the popularity of a particular search term and see related topics and other search queries. Number 5, create similar videos. So start researching your competition and see what is already working for them. If there's a particular video topic that works well on their channel, consider creating a similar video. Put your own twist on that topic based on your experience and knowledge. You can also look at your successful videos and create something related to that video. This is a great strategy for smaller channels. For instance, a few months ago on my channel, I created a video called Creating Consistent Content. And that video did well, so I decided that I'd make a video on coming up with video content ideas. Number 6, survey your audience. Lastly, a great way to get fresh ideas is by directly asking your audience what they want to see. If you have a small audience, you may not get a good response from a survey, but you can still ask for feedback. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. I hope this has been helpful to you. Please leave a comment below because I would love to hear from you. Subscribe to my channel for more video production and video marketing tutorials every week. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful day.